Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tech Tips. Hope you guys are doing great and keeping safe in this pandemic situation. In this video, we're going to talk about K71 iFalcon TCL television. This TV comes in two variants. One is 43-inch and another is 55-inch. Today we have 55-inch K71 television with us. We are going to do full in-depth review of this TV end to end. By end of this video, you will get a clear idea of whether you need to buy this TV or paying 35,000 rupees for this TV is worth a deal or not. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Before that, if you guys are new to My Tech Tips, please subscribe to My Tech Tips for useful tech videos. We post tech videos like this regularly. This 55-inch iFalcon K71 TV comes up with a massive package. First, let's see what are things we get in this TV out of the box. This TV has TV unit, desktop stand, wall mounting stand, warranty card, user manual, and an OS connector, remote, and two AAA batteries. That's pretty much it. That's all what you get in this TV out of the box. They should have included at least one branded HDMI cable that would be really helpful in terms of 4K display. When it comes to the display of this TV, 55-inch and 43-inch TV has 4K HDR support, HLD support, 300 nits brightness, and an A+ grade display unit. Apart from that, this TV also comes up with an AI picture engine, which helps the TV to upscale HD content or an full HD content into an 4K content. One major thing to notice, this TV doesn't has an Dolby Vision support. If it support Dolby Vision also, it's not gonna matter for this brightness, because for a good Dolby Vision or HDR10+, you need at least 500 nits of display brightness. With just 300 nits of display brightness, it's not going to make sense to include Dolby Vision in this TV. If you include also, you are not going to get that much high contrast ratio with this brightness. As you saw, this TV supports a lot of different picture modes such as dynamic, smart HDR, etc. etc. When you are using smart HDR or dynamic version, this TV actually overkills the picture in certain cases, but in dark scenes and all, it's actually performing really good. Experimenting couple of picture modes again and again, I have decided to stick with PC mode, which gives the true intended feel of the video as well. If you are buying this TV and putting in the TV unit, definitely it's going to enhance a relevant look for your TV unit. The major plus point is the bezel-less design. Because of its bezel-less design, it's going to give immersive 55-inch experience. While watching TV, you can only notice the bottom bezel. Apart from that, the bezel-less design is really good. When it comes to the sound quality, this TV has two down-firing speakers of 15 watt each. So totally this TV has 30 watt down-firing speakers. I would say the speaker placement is not so great. Because of its down-firing speakers, most of the time the sound bounces back to the ceiling and you can hear the sound from the ceiling. This TV doesn't support Dolby Atmos or DTS:X, but it supports Dolby Digital. This TV comes up with a lot of different modes like dynamic, standard, movie, music, voice, game and stadium mode. This voice mode is really helpful when it comes to watching movie in the night time. Now let's see a quick demo of the TV sound performance. When it comes to the processor performance, it's not performing up to the mark because it's just only 1100 MHz of processor. This slower megahertz processor is really a downfall for this TV. If you go to Flipkart and see the reviews, a lot of people saying that this TV hangs a lot while playing content. Yeah, that's definitely true and I agree to that. If you are playing content from an external source like Xbox or set-top box connection, then it works seamlessly fine. But when you are trying to play content from the OTT platform with Android OS inbuilt in this TV, then it's going to hang a lot and you are going to face every time when you are operating on this TV. Then I analyzed why this problem is happening. If you are playing a true 4K content via Netflix, then it works definitely fine. The major problem comes is with the AI engine of this TV, because when it tries to upscale HD content to 4K content, that's where the problem is coming. Because of its AI algorithm trying to upscale the video, this upscaling technology is eating up a lot of processor performance, which end up hanging the TV a lot. One of the major feature this TV has is hands-free voice control. Do you think this hands-free voice control going to be useful? With this slower processor, playing the 4K content itself is a big question because of its lagginess. On top of that, if you are trying to do a voice control, it's going to add a lot of delay in the response. For example, while playing the 4K content, if you try to say, "Okay Google," at least it's gonna take 10 to 15 seconds to wake up the Google to recognize your voice. Yes, that is a definite fallback of this TV. So if you are someone who is planning to buy this TV for this hands-free voice control or Google Mini Alexa support, please don't go for it, because this TV is capable of only supporting only the video features. This TV has all the features, but this processor not gonna help for that. When it comes to the connectivity option, this TV has 3 HDMI cable, 2 USB and a headphone jack and an optical out as well as an Ethernet cable. This TV has a smart remote which has a dedicated Netflix and TCL home button. When it comes to the Google activation from this remote, that works actually fine, but still there is a 1 second of delay in the activation. But still, when it comes to the hands-free voice control, what TCL claims, this is really good. One of the major drawbacks is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi this TV supports. Ideally, this 55-inch TV should have come with 5 GHz of Wi-Fi support, but this TV has only 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi support. And moreover, this 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi also not working up to the mark. If you try to connect this TV and a laptop to a same Wi-Fi connection and try to compare the speed using fast.com, definitely this TV gonna give slower speed when compared to the laptop or mobile or any other device. So in that sense, this TV is not up to the mark. I would say it's better to plug in an Ethernet cable to get a full 4K experience, because for playing 4K content from Netflix, you need 25 Mbps of internet speed. Some of the features you can get in this iFalcon 55-inch K7 televisions are dynamic color enhancement, micro dimming technology, 4K upscaling using AI, and Magic Connect feature. Since it's just a 300 nits brightness TV, this dynamic color enhancement and micro dimming technology, it's not gonna play a major role, but this 4K upscaling need to be improved a lot. One of the best features this TV has is the Magic Connect feature. TCL and iFalcon came lot of different features, but only one feature that's actually useful to us is Magic Connect feature. All you need is just download the Magic Connect app in your Android mobile and you can directly connect the TV. It's very easy for us to do mirrorcast or control the TV using mobile. When it comes to the buying gate, this TV has premium look and elegant feel. But don't forget, this TV has an excellent picture clarity as well. I would say for 35,000 also, this TV is not a great deal. But if you are getting this TV for 30,000 rupees, you can definitely buy this TV because of its stunning picture quality. Usually this TV is being sold at around 38,000 rupees, and during festival time you can get an offer of 35,000 rupees in Flipkart. But I got this TV for 30,000 rupees, and here is how. During the festival sale, there was an extra 3,000 rupees off for this TV, and this TV was around 36,000 rupees. On top of that, I got 2,000 rupees off on the prepaid transaction. I have used Kodak credit card, so that I got 3,000 rupees off for that. And the final price was around 31,000 rupees. Additionally, I used 200 super coins from Flipkart and I got 1,500 rupees off, so that the final price of this TV is around 29,500. If you are buying this TV for 35,000 rupees, I would definitely give only 3 star out of 5 star. But if you are getting this TV for less than 30,000 rupees, definitely it's worth the money. So please wait for the year-end sale or wait till the next year starting, so that you will get this TV for less than 30,000 rupees. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any question regarding this TV, please give a comment in the comment section below. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. And subscribe to Maimun Tech Tips for more such videos. We post tech videos like this regularly. See you guys in next video. Until then, bye bye.